Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by getting devices on the same network. That's essential. Plug in the Chromecast or turn the TV on if cast is built in. Select the correct HDMI input so the TV advertises itself. Open the Google Home app and sign in. This ties devices to your account and enables control. Once done, the app scans for new devices automatically, so follow the on-screen prompt to start pairing. Make sure to allow permissions. Without them, the app can't find the TV. Now you'll link and configure. This is where settings matter. Tap the new device in Google Home, confirm the code you see on the TV to secure pairing, and assign the TV to a room. This makes voice targeting precise. Name the device with a simple label, like Living Room TV, because short names reduce recognition errors. Then update firmware if prompted and choose the display resolution that matches your TV. Once complete, the TV appears as a controllable device in the Home app and via voice. Finally, start casting and using voice control. You'll find the cast icon inside supported apps. Tap it and choose your TV, then control playback from your phone or say voice commands. Use phrases like, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Living Room TV" to launch specific apps. If casting fails, check Wi-Fi, reboot the router and TV, and confirm both devices are on the same network. If problems persist, unlink then re-add the TV in the Home app. That often resolves pairing and firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.